Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark in Veed.io. So here, if you create or edit your videos in Veed, you can just, here I'm going to show you an example. So if you want to export, for example, you're done with your editing, you can click on done at the top. And in here, you can see that your videos will be watermarked by the Veed tags in here. And if you want to remove the watermark, you need to buy the Veed Pro. So if you can just click on the remove watermark in here, and you can see this is the you need to subscribe to Pro. There are annually plan and also monthly plan, so you can just select the one that you want. But if you don't want to buy it, you can just export the Veed video with the watermark on it like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.